Well, hello everybody. I got an accessory I probably won't hopefully have to use very much, but it's the pucks that go for the jacking up of the car. Check this out. Alrighty, so I've gotten my pucks in for my Tesla. As you can tell, Lord, I'm gonna butcher this up, Yoki. But it's supposed to come with 4 pucks and the little kit for everything. So there we go. So that's I guess if you had a puncture and you're going to use these type of plugs to plug it, that would be what this is for. And after you put the hole in there, that's what you'd put that in there to pull it back through. Not that I'll probably ever use those. Just a little screwdriver. Let's see what we got here. Looks like they've given us a very little knife to cut that with. And trying to see what these things are without having to, oh, these are the little screws right here. Here's the instructions. So it basically tells you how to use the puck. And I'll go make sure these fit on the Tesla. Oh, they're not that heavy though. They're pretty light. So there's the bracket. It just goes in under the Tesla. There's a hole in, 2 holes on each side of the vehicle. These go in, and then your jack right there goes and holds up the puck, so that way you don't damage the bottom of your vehicle. So here we go on the back side. There's the little screws. That's what the screwdriver's for. Those I've seen online. I don't know how good they are, but it is kind of nice if you did get a hole from a nail, you could pull the nail out if it was leaking and plug it with that, and hopefully you could get to Discount Tire, America Tire, or to a Tesla Center without having to wait on roadside service. So, but it just shows you how to use the strips, and it shows you how to use the nails. So it's pretty nice. And I don't really want to unzip these things right now. So what these are, you get 20 of the little nails that are rubber coated. That's what they, so there's 10 in each package. I'm not going to open them, but we'll just put them right back in here. But the reason I got this is, like, I'm not going to be doing my own tire work, but if you ever have to go to a tire shop and they don't have them, or if you have someone that comes by roadside assistance and they don't have these pucks, they're going to damage you underneath your car, or you'll have to wait for Tesla roadside assistance to come to you, pick up your vehicle. So I've got these just in case someone needs them. If I call, I have them. They'll just be staying in the vehicle. So that's the point of them. And like I said, ooh, there we go, we blew that. But we'll put them under the car just to make sure that they fit. I'll show you what it looks like, where they go. I'm sure you've seen tons of videos, but one, I want to see it for yourself, how easy they fit in and how easy they come out. So here comes the fun part, getting on the ground here, and then, but I want to see how well these fit. I've seen some fit loose, some not fit loose. So let's just see how well it works on Snowball. Here's Bluey right here, buddy. Here's our big blue beast. All right, let's get on the ground and get this going. So right behind the wheel, you've got, right here is the very first one. This is on the driver's side. Like I said, there's one in the front and rear of each vehicle, right up here behind each door. So see how well this fits in here. Alrighty, so you'll just put it in. And there we go, it just went right in. Pretty smooth. It doesn't wobble that much. Like I've seen some of them that are very loose. This is actually very nice and snug. Jack will just go right there and it'll lift it up. Impressed. So let's see how easy it is to get out. And just a little wiggling and there it comes. Not bad. It fits snug in there. These will work. Not bad, $19. I actually got it for $17 because they had a discount on there. So I got $2 off. Just check for stuff like that. Sometimes you'll be surprised. They'll give you a 10% discount or a $1 discount, $2 discount, forgetting it. But this works pretty good. I know one of the complaints on some of these, when depending on which brand you get, some will say there's no odor, some will say they're odor. These have a slight smell to them, so I'll let them air out before I put them in the Tesla, in the frunk or the trunk, wherever I store them. But I'll leave them in this bag. Just wanted to show you the kit that we bought, where it is on Amazon. It's $19.98. We had, when we bought it, it was 10% off, so it was like $17.99 when I got it. It's a little less than $2 off. What I liked about the kit, I mean, you can find a ton of kits with 4 pucks. I just like this one because it had the screws here. Those are the new screws that got coming out. I mean, if I had to do a quick patch for a tire if I'm on the road, bam, I could do it that way. That was just one of the things. They're all about $15 to $29, depending on which one you get. And they all had pretty good ratings. This was an Amazon choice, so I decided to go with this one. Just wanted to show you this. I'll put the link in the description in case you're interested. I'm not sure if I want to. So overall, not a bad purchase for $19.99. Actually, I got it for $17.99. Just shop and see what you can do. There's tons of these on Amazon. Just make sure that yours has a good fit and that yours fits your model, because sometimes they say don't fit all models. This one fits Snowball, a 26 Model Y standard. So there you go. Any questions, put them in the comments. Appreciate you guys. Yoki, I guess that's it. There you go. Nice little case. It'll go right in there in Snowball. Appreciate you watching. Any questions, put them in there, and y'all have a blessed day. Thank you so much.